Okay, ठीक है. All right. So yesterday we studied about synthetic fibers and plastics. Then we discussed what are natural fibers, what are synthetic fibers. ठीक है. Then we discussed about polymer. What is a polymer? After that, we discussed about rayon, nylon, and today let us start our topic with the discussion of polyester. So polyester is another synthetic fiber. Okay. So polyester is a synthetic fiber. It is made up of small units called esters. So what is an ester? Ester is a chemical substance. It is light, strong, elastic, easy to wash, and do not get wrinkled easily. Wrinkles नहीं आते हैं उसमें. So that is the quality
सर
of polyester. हाँ.
सर आपने स्क्रीन शेयर करी है
हाँ जी, yes.
सर यहाँ तो दिख नहीं रही
दिख रही है. You can rejoin. Okay. So देखिए आगे. It is used for making dress material. It is mixed with cotton to get polycot. So when polyester is mixed with cotton, then it becomes polycot. Okay. Then it is when it is mixed with wool, it becomes polywool. So this polycot and polywool are then used to make different substances. And there are two common type of polyesters. These are terylene and PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Okay, so these are the two common type of polyesters. One is terylene, another is PET. So what is terylene? Terylene is a polyester used for making dress material. Okay, so you see the different kind of dresses being shown here. They are made up of terylene. Then what is the use of PET? Polyethylene terephthalate. You have to remember this term, okay? Polyethylene terephthalate. It is a polyester used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, etc. Okay. So once again, polyester is a synthetic fiber. When polyester is mixed with cotton, it becomes polycot. When it is mixed with wool, it becomes polywool. So it can be mixed with cotton, it can be mixed with wool. And there are two common types. One is terylene. Terylene का कपड़ा मिलता है बाजार में. And PET, polyethylene terephthalate. So these two things are used for making different materials of daily use. Okay, पता चला सब बच्चों को ये.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
So you can take it screenshot. You can take the screenshot so that we can move on to the next slide. Okay, shall
यस
we?
सर
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
यस
Okay, so later on we will also send one of these screenshots in the our group also. So our next fiber of interest is acrylic. So you see there are some beautiful pictures. ये सभी pictures जो हैं, they all are acrylic, made up by acrylic fiber. So acrylic is another synthetic fiber which has a properties similar to wool. So it is not wool, wool नहीं है, but it looks like wool. But real में it is an acrylic fiber. It is cheaper than wool and it is used for making sweaters, shawls, blankets, etc. So you can also take it screenshot so that you can write all these things. So you have to write about polyester. After that, you have to write about acrylic. So until now, we have studied about four fibers. First was, what was the first one? Do you remember that?
Sir,
Yes, what was the first one?
Rayon.
sir, nylon, rayon,
Yes, rayon. And what is another name of rayon?
Sir,
artificial silk.
artificial silk.
Artificial silk. And then we studied about nylon.
Nylon.
Okay. After that, we studied about
पॉलिस्टर
then we studied about acrylic. So let us see next.
No, sir, we have studied first polymer.
Oh yes, polymer is not a fiber. polymer is just a molecule by which fibers are made. Okay, so let us now discuss about the characteristic of synthetic fibers. How does a what are the properties of a synthetic fibers? Okay, so synthetic fibers are very good because they are very lightweight, and they are strong. They're elastic, durable means long lasting, and they absorb less water. Whenever we wash them, we can easily wash them. They dries also very fast, and they're easy to maintain, easy to keep, and they're less expensive. So they have all the good qualities. But the only disadvantage is that they can catch fire easily. If there is a fire in the house or in the shop or wherever these synthetic fibers are kept, they will catch fire easily, and the fabric melts and stick to the body. So the fabric will melt and it will stick to the person who is nearby. So it will be very difficult to remove it because it is a chemical. So chemicals they burns very fast. So we should not wear synthetic clothes while we are working in the kitchen or in the laboratory. So हमेशा हमारी kitchen में whenever we work in our kitchen we keep some clothes there. Okay. तो कोई चीज को उठाना है कहीं पर रखना है so we use some clothes. So those clothes should not be made up by synthetic fibers because synthetic fibers once they catch fire they will be catching fire very fast and they will stick to our body. That is why it should be a natural fibers. And when we are whatever we are wearing, जो हमने शर्ट पहनी है, हमने जो trousers पहने हैं, it should also be natural fibers in the kitchen. Otherwise, in case of fire, it can damage us. Okay, so that is the only precaution we should take with the synthetic fibers. Otherwise, synthetic fibers are good. Okay, पता चला सबको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can take a screenshot. ये भी आप ले लीजिए screenshot so that
Sir, ले लिया.
you can write it down in your notebook. Okay. So till now we have covered about polyester and polyester. When polyester is mixed with cotton, what does it become?
Polycot.
Polycot. And when polyester is mixed with wool, what does it become?
Polywool.
Polywool. And what are the two common type of polyesters?
Trilene and PET.
Trilene and PET,
PET.
polyterephthalate. Okay. And also their uses. And another acrylic, it looks like which kind of fiber? It looks like wool.
Sir,
Wool.
Okay. All right. And then we have just discussed the characteristic of synthetic fibers. After that, our next topic is plastics. So fibers are over now. Okay? We have studied about 4 fibers, and now we will discuss about plastics. So plastic, we know that plastic is also another synthetic material, and plastics they are the polymers. They are also polymers, okay? Because plastics are also made up of small units. You see this diagram here. You see these are the small units which are joined together to form a bigger unit. Okay, so this kind of arrangement is called linear because it is a single line. So linear. Sometimes it is also cross-linked. When there are 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines, they are interlinked. So this kind of arrangement is called cross-linked arrangement. Okay, so let us read about it. Plastics are also synthetic material. They are polymers like synthetic fibers. They are made up of a chain of many small units joined together to form a large unit, just like the fibers. And some plastic have a linear arrangement. Some plastic have a cross-linked arrangement. Okay, so what are the uses? So these all pictures show the uses of plastic. So plastic, it has a lot of use in our daily life. We have many bottles made of plastic,
Sir?
dustbins, buckets.
Sir,
Sir?
bottles, buckets, toys, slippers,
Yes,
table.
Sir,
table, chair. Yes.
सर ये जो लीनियर अरेंजमेंट है और एक क्रॉस लिंक्ड अरेंजमेंट है सर इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है?
देखो डिफरेंस क्या है. देखो एक में तो यहाँ पर सीधा ही दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं बस, है ना. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है, क्रॉस दूसरी लाइन में भी ज्वाइंट्स हैं, देखो ये ज्वाइंट्स है ना बीच में, दिख रहे हैं?
यस सर।
हाँ, यहाँ पे तो एक ही तरह के ज्वाइंट है, यहाँ पे दो दो जगह, यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है, देखा?
यस
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the difference. That is the difference. So in this topic, you have to only draw this linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement in your notebook. Okay, you can take the screenshot. You can write plastics as a topic. Only draw the diagrams. Draw only linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement. And you know the use of plastic. Even if someone asks you, you can write the answer by yourself. That plastic can be used as so many different uses. Okay, you can take the screenshot.
सर ले लो।
Okay. So our topics, that is our topic for today. So tomorrow we will discuss more about plastics. ठीक है भाई?
Yes, sir.
So अभी क्या करना है आप लोगों को कि जो भी आपने स्क्रीनशॉट लिए है ना, एक तो वो स्क्रीनशॉट को ग्रुप में भेज दो, ओके? और दूसरे नंबर पे वही स्क्रीनशॉट से आप काम करना शुरू करिए रिटन वर्क।
Okay, sir.
मैंने इसलिए बोला आपको, देखिए पहले समझ लीजिए क्या क्या करना है। पॉलिस्टर को पहले डेट डालनी है, न्यू पेज शुरू करना है, न्यू पेज होगा, जो पुराना वाला काम हो गया वो पेज से शुरू नहीं करना है, हर रोज नया पेज, ठीक है? उस पर डेट लिखिए, चैप्टर का नाम लिखिए, डेट पक्का मेंशन करनी है, फिर उसको लिखिए कीवर्ड्स, वहां पे लिखिए पॉलिस्टर, पॉलिस्टर के बारे में पूरा लिखिए, फिर टेरिलिन पीईटी वगैरह मेंशन करिए, फिर एक्राइलिक, एक्राइलिक के बारे में 3 लाइन लिखिए, फिर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स ये 5 लाइन लिखिए, ठीक है? फिर प्लास्टिक में लिखकर और 2 डायग्राम बनाइए। ये है आज का पूरा काम, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
किसी भी बच्चे ने सुनिए, 1 मिनट सुनिए पहले। किसी भी बच्चे ने आज का काम कल पर नहीं छोड़ना है, आज का काम आज ही खत्म करना है, नहीं तो फिर पेंडिंग हो जाएगा।
Okay, sir.
हाँ।
सर
हाँ
सर ये जो डायग्राम बनाना है सर, ये अलग पेज बनाने हैं उसी के नीचे से, प्लास्टिक वाले के नीचे?
नहीं, प्लास्टिक वाले के नीचे, बस उसी के नीचे छोटे छोटे डायग्राम बनेंगे, ज्यादा बड़े नहीं बनेंगे ये, 2 तो 3 तो बस ऐसे जैसे शो कर रखे हैं यहाँ पे उतने बनाने हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
प्लास्टिक।
सर
हाँ जी बोलिए।
सर ये जो टेबल है 3.1 नेचुरल एंड आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर, सर ये काम करना है कॉपी पे?
कौन सा टेबल, 1 मिनट देख लेते हैं। 3.1,
यस सर।
अच्छा ये
सर
टेबल रहने
32 पे है।
ये हमने शुरू में किया था ना, नहीं रहने दो इसको, कोई बात नहीं, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। रफ में किया था ना आपने?
यस सर, बुक पे किया हुआ है।
इसकी जरूरत नहीं है इसकी, तो ठीक है। सुनिए मेरी बात, और कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
नो सर।
तो जो हमने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करी है ना, वो वीडियो भी यूट्यूब में रहेगी, उसका लिंक मैं सेंड कर दूंगा आपको, ठीक है? तो जो बच्चे क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाए हैं वो वहां से फिर उसको देख सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो अभी के लिए अभी आप क्लास लीव करके अपना काम शुरू कर दो। अच्छा कल का काम दिखाओ जरा, उसमें दिखाओ जरा, कैमरे में दिखाओ जरा, देखें कितने बच्चों ने करा। दिखा दीजिए कल का काम, अपना कैम ऑन करिए और दिखाइए।